So the join command will join two like objects. So they have to be, an arc to an arc or a line to a line. Obviously, we showed you earlier the polyline edit command is a more powerful tool, converting arcs into polylines, and you can join multiple objects. But to run the join command, again, you're just going to type in join. If you didn't see this earlier, you're going to type in JOIN or join. It's J or weld. So weld would also be an acceptable option. So you can use weld, and I can pick this line and this line. And when I press enter, you'll see one segment added to polyline. So now that line has been joined. So they, again, like I said, they have to be like objects, and they have to actually be touching, or the vertices have to be touching, and they have to be in the same elevation plane, right? They have to be both at 0 or both at 5 or 10, whatever the elevation or z value happens to be. But that's simply the join command.